ya Trump aratwikire president ri economy nyingi cia Europe ni iragwire Germany iragwa Britain iragwa tondu Kamara koroni arashindire niguo kigongona kia ngoma kingira rugamire Trump kana Kamara aragwithirio ni mahoya mandu a Kenya magongona maria mararutirwo ni magongona twarutira na ndukata nyingi ciraruta wira ucio nicio cia gwithirie kigongona kia Roosevelt agenda thini wa America nikio Kenya na America ciranyitanagira uguo guteithania in the spiritual realm nigetha Trump aikarire giti aikarire giti kindu kia mbere arana uciraugire twacokia kigo kia Ngai thini wa America gucokia kigo kia Ngai thini wa America ni kwambararia kigo Kenya yakate nigetha etuke pillar ya kigo kia Ngai kumari una hau maundu uria ehita muthenya uria akehita ni ukuona changes nyingi muno cigekika maundu maingi muno maikika naturally na mothamaki maingi magwe na riu hau no ho tuguthie tuthiangite ni tukugia na andu Ngai agwita mathi magaikara nao anene thirikari-ini hari andu Ngai agucamoni mathi kama makaragie nao kitu kidogo
gaikaraga nao
makaragie metagwo sapa mathi sapa mathi makaria sapa
megucoka
no mathi ringi makoretwo ni kwagira muno mambe mahuruke nako kana kwagira mambe magitumo handu makuhurukanga ungigithondekwo no ugithi nyumba itari ndiku riu maundu macio ni mekuhianeka in a near future na ni mekuhianikira mwendo mwandu matarecireria na mwendo mwandu marecireria ni guguthio go na mbere na maundu macio makihianeka ri it's part of the system ya Ngai ya guthii na mbere
ugu no nginya mahanike nigetha system ya Ngai ithii na mbere
of course
as an apostle tukimalizia as a man of God give Kenya the 2025 prophecy as per what God has been showing you in this coming year in regards to the nation, the church, the youth, and depending on how God has shown you.
I thought we give that on another occasion, but I was just going to mention a few of what's going to happen. Hizo zote tumezungumzia. If you are keen enough, those are prophetic utterances. Nimepatiana that we'll have drastic moves and serious deaths will occur. Now some natural, some pushed, and zile bendera mlingoti tunasema semanga
nusu mlingoti
a few one or two will come before hizo months hizo yani 2025 again there will be a major fallout in the government that Ruto will have no option but to either step down or force things just to work which will not work because he will have frustrated the government systems, the collapse, court it a collapse, and many other things, KRA collapse, pesos collapse, biashara zita collapse, na zile zinaitangwa plagues ziko zimekuwa zikiendelea na that is where God will tell Moses ende waambie Farao waachana na watu wangu. He will try to harden but eventually atazimwa. There will be an uprising. Young people, many young people will come up fearlessly. They will be able to push. And also many politicians, 99% of the current crop of politicians will disappear in the thin air. Kenya will be like a nation, a rebirth of a nation. Yeah.
Leure. Naigwa nyamo ya Raila, uri guthie. Iguthie uguo. Ni tore dio ni bara ni rathirire. Uguo Ruto ni tura ni right off. Ni reherire. He kindu gigucoka kihutia health.
Okay.
Ugima wa mwiri wa mundu umwe wacio atatu. Baba Ruto na mundu wangina. Wanyita acio atatu ri hari kindu kirihianeka umwe wao ni ari hutio ni Herod. Na Herod yo ri ni kamutora kwa Jesu. No ndizauga riu ni rucio na ndizauga ni oke
niguo to guo
o rĩrĩa gũgakorwo kũrĩ Herod
ĩkũmwambatia
nĩ gakorwo determining factor.
So he's coming back to his shamba. He's coming back kwa shamba yake. So he will fight anyway. He will start fighting.
But he's in the government, broad-based government.
He's in the but his demands from tomorrow ama from this week, coming week, utasikia fresh demands. Yeah, kutakuwa na fresh utaanza kusikia ma press conferences. Nilikwambia Wetangula is most likely anaenda nyumbani. Most likely. And Otiende most likely the next speaker. Kikuyu MPs will be pushed out, and parliamentary chairmanships zote ambazo zimeshikiliwa na Mount Kenya nyingi zote zitang'olewa. Hata demand achukue, because he will be looking on how to weaken Ruto completely. On the other side ya Ruto atakuwa advice na watu wake, ambie huyu mtu si sawa, wacha tu resist, na akiresist huyu naye ataleta punch. So expect an upside down politics in Kenya from this month. March, April itakuwa climax.
President Ruto is a professor of politics. Do you think he can be defeated?
Haji is not a professor of politics.
He has never been, defeated in any elections.
Which election?
Since an MP, he has never, he has always won.
Uko. Si alikuwa amefrontiwa na Moi, who will defeat somebody who has been fronted by Moi. Si alichapa huyo mzee anaitwa nani?
Ule mwenye alimslap ule.
Yeah, alimslap. And that is where he got his curse from. Yes, he will win, but it's because he forced things. He was Kanu 92. What could have defeated Kanu 92? Hii ingine amejialign into, yes, it is good for him. He has never lost anything. But how is the spirit or the spiritual realm speaking about you now?
He said recently in Northeastern, yeye mwenyewe amekuwa kwa hii game kwa muda mrefu.
Yeah,
and losing an election is none of his, his worries.
Who was in the game more than Moi? 24 years in power. Yeah, Moi was in 24 years in power, but his candidate lost. And again, being in power does not guarantee you, because you can be in power and your race has come to an end. Maybe the mission why God called you has come to an end. So you cannot go beyond where God has said no. I'm not insinuating that there is something seriously wrong that he might not go forward. But whatever will happen between now and April will determine his presidency, whether even atafikisha huko, because I don't see.
What are you seeing?
Sioni tukienda pale mbele. Sioni tukifikisha 2027 before we have a new dispensation.
A new government.
A government, either a coalition government or a brand new government.